What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, today's video is going to be all about headshots. I'm going to show you how to get corporate headshots in an outdoor environment. As you can tell right behind me, as you see the setup already, it's just a typical clam setup that you would have in the studio, except you can just do it outside. I got the newer outliner right underneath there with the 42-inch beauty dish by Easy Glow, you know, with a clam, with it boomed over with a arm. Well, you see the setup with an 80-600. This is what the setup is. Now, the camera I want to shoot my headshots with today is actually going to be the D850 with the 150 Sigma macro lens. This is a 2.8 lens. This is a very older lens. I've been having it for a while, but it is a 150 macro lens. I'm going to show you how to get beautiful headshots in this test subject model. My friend, she has been in my videos before, Dominique.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dominique. I'm going to be his model today, doing corporate headshots, like you said, for my financial business. So I'm excited.
She's excited. And of course, if you want a makeup to be done, all that stuff will be down in the link below. And make sure you hit her up to get your makeup done and all that good jazz. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Like I said, I'm going to be using the 150 Sigma, then I may also use the Tamron 70-200, all depends. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, now switching to the Tamron 70-200, I'm going to shoot this at 200. The last was at 150. The same exact settings. I'm not going to change it. Which was I'll go ahead and tell you what I was at. 7.1, 250 for my shutter speed, and I think I'm at ISO 500 for these photos. So, all right, let's go. Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that me and Dominique just put in for you. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, I did shoot with the Sigma 150 macro lens 2.8 version, and of course the Tamron 70-200 G2 2.8, of course. And I really enjoy shooting macros for my headshots. It's the reason why I had this lens. I've been having this lens for a very, very long time for this reason particularly. Now, the camera actually comes out a lot more contrast when you shoot it. Of course, you can see the side-by-sides if you made it to the video so far. Now, like I said, you can do the same thing that you get in studio. If you don't have a studio location, you can come outdoors, find you a nice little wooded area, just any type of area with a lot of shadows, set up a clam setting just like I got back here, and you can get your you know, your studio type headshots, portraits, the same way indoors that you can do outdoors. So I just want to show this little quick video for people that don't have a studio and want to get some headshots doors like this. So, Dami, how did you enjoy this
I loved
today?
it. Oh, I loved it. It was fun. It was quick. And
was
I'm
quick,
excited to see the pictures.
Well, of course, she hasn't seen them yet while we're making a video, but of course, and if you want to work with her or do anything or hit her out for some advice, please hit her up in the DM. She is a makeup artist. Of course, you have seen her in my previous videos before, my very first behind the scenes videos. She was all in them. So this is her, she is back. So until the next video, peace.